Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Are you ready to catch some waves with your favourite beagle, Snoopy? Today, we're diving into how to get your hands on a free Snoopy Surfing STL file for your 3D printer. Snoopy is a classic character loved by people of all ages. His adventurous spirit and iconic poses makes him the perfect subject for a 3D printing project. Plus, who doesn't love a good surfing dog? My design can be downloaded from Thingiverse, Cultus 3Ds and Printable. Link in the description. Snoopy is resin printed and the surfboard is FDM printed, but you can print both using an FDM printer. You can also paint or customize your Snoopy figurine to make it truly unique. Create your very own 3D printed Snoopy surfing adventure. Happy printing! Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more 3D printing files.